Today let us see chapter number 7. Title is Subhasit Kusumani. Su means good, Bhasit means saying, and Kusumani means flower. So meaning of this title is flowers in the form of good sayings. Let us see introduction, first paragraph. Sushtu Bhasitam Subhasitam, that which is said well is Subhasit, means epigram. Inexhaustible treasure of epigrams is found in Sanskrit. The literate believe that Pruthivyam Trini Ratnani Jalam Annam Subhasitam. There are three gems on the earth: water, food, and wise sayings. As water and food are inevitable for mankind, so is epigram also inevitable.
Sanskrit epigrams introduced not only Indian culture or people, but they also introduce human culture. Hence, they guide every human life beyond the place and time. It is an undertaking to establish values in human life. Like a friend, these epigrams help in character building of a person. These epigrams also supply beautiful illustrations of the fact that how can a man experience happiness and joy by practicing these things which are worthy to be grasped in life. It is a special feature of epigram to contain ocean of wisdom in a small vessel. Let us see now introduction, last paragraph of this poem. Here in this poem, 7 epigrams are presented here, which beautifully describe the value of good people's words, usefulness of trees, acquisition of virtues with efforts, loss caused by unstable minded person, means of examining men, worth following virtues of great persons, and nature of resolute person are presented here in this poem with a view to impart moral values, good qualities, and life skills in students who are citizens of tomorrow. These subhasitas, these epigrams are presented in this chapter, in this poem. Now let us see first verse. Sad pestu is equal to Sandhi is there. Sad bihi visarga plus to right Sandhi. Sad bi visarga plus to. Sad bihi to lilaya proktam. Proktam also is equal to pro plus uktam mahap. And uktam only, past passive participle uktam only. Sila likhitam mahap plus aksara mahap, Sandhi is there. Sila likhitam mahap plus aksara mahap. Asad bihi, second line, asad bihi sapathenapi is equal to, Sandhi is there. Sapathen plus api. Jale likhitam aksaram is equal to likhitam mahap plus aksaram mahap. Likhitam mahap plus aksaram mahap. Sad bestu lilaya proktam sila likhitam aksaram. Sila means stone. So the words spoken by good persons are as permanent good as the words written on the stone. Sila likhitam aksaram. So the words written on the stone, just like the words written on the stone. Asadbihi sapathen api jale likhitam aksaram. Asadbihi sapathen api jale likhitam aksaram. On the other side, the word written by wicked person are as temporary as those are written on water. Asadbihi sapathen api jale likhitam aksaram. And the words written by wicked person are as temporary as those are written on water. Jale likhitam aksaram. Understood now? Let us see next verse number 2. सेवितव्यो अकॉर्डिंग टू विसर्ग संधि सेवितव्यः विसर्ग हो जाएगा. इट मीन्स सेवितव्यः पोटेंशियल पार्टिसिपल विद्यार्थक रुदन सेवितव्यः. महावृक्षः कर्मधारय कंपाउंड. महावृक्षः कर्मधारय समास. फल छाया समन्वितः. यदि देवात् फलम नास्ति, देवात् सेकेंड लाइन, यदि देवात् फलम इज इक्वल टू संधि इज देयर, देवात्तः प्लस फलम महप एंड नास्ति इज इक्वल टू न प्लस अस्ति. नास्ति छाया के निवार्यते. सेवितव्यो महावृक्षः फल छाया समन्वितः. So the trees with full of fruit and shade are worshipped. यदि देवात् फलम नास्ति छाया के निवार्यते. But who worship which has no fruit or shade to give? Let us see once again the same verse number 2. सेवितव्यो महावृक्षः फल छाया समन्वितः. So the trees with full of fruit and shade are worshipped. यदि देवात् फलम नास्ति छाया के निवार्यते. But who worship which has no fruit or shade to give? Let us see now verse number 3. आरोप्यते शिला शैले यत्नेन महता यथा. Second line, निपात्यते क्षणेन अध is equal to संधि is there. क्षणेन plus अध विसर्ग. Next word also संधि is there. तथात्मा is equal to तथा plus आत्मा. And गुण दोषयो इतरेतर द्वंद्व कंपाउंड. इतरेतर द्वंद्व समास गुण दोषयो. आरोप्यते शिला शैले यत्नेन महता यथा. So as it is difficult for a stone to be placed on the mountain, निपात्यते क्षणेन अधः तथा आत्मा गुण दोषयोः. Similarly, we have to work hard for soul in matter of vices and virtue. It means we can say one find difficult to rise up or acquire virtue, but it is easy to fall down with vice. Understood now? poet want to say like this only. Poet want to explain like this only in this verse. Now let us see next page number 32 and verse number 4. क्षणे रुष्टः क्षणे तुष्टः रुष्टः तुष्टः क्षणे क्षणे. So क्षणे रुष्टः, being angry at one moment, क्षणे तुष्टः, and being satisfied at another moment, रुष्टः तुष्टः क्षणे क्षणे. अव्यवस्थित चित्तस्य प्रसादोपि भयंकरः. सेकेंड लाइन, अव्यवस्थित चित्तस्य, it means disturbed minded person. अव्यवस्थित चित्तस्य प्रसादोपि is equal to संधि is there. प्रसादः विसर्ग प्लस अपि, प्रसादः विसर्ग प्लस अपि, प्रसादो अपि भयंकरः. So, in the disturbed minded person, different mood at different moment persons, even prasado api bhayankarah, even favor is also dangerous. Even favor is also dangerous. Let us see once again the whole verse. क्षणे रुष्टः क्षणे तुष्टः रुष्टः तुष्टः क्षणे क्षणे. So being angry at one moment or satisfied at another moment. In the avyavasthit chittasya, second line, prasado api bhayankarah. In the disturbed minded person, different mood at different moment persons, even grace or favor is also dangerous. अंडरस्टूड ना. सो पोएट यहाँ हमें समझाना चाहते हैं ये वर्स के जरिए कि जो पर्सन एक ही सेकंड में वो एंग्री क्रोधी हो जाता है और अनदर सेकंड वो नॉर्मल हो जाता है, हंसने लगता है, सिंपल जैसे कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. तो ऐसे इंसानों से हमें सावध रहना चाहिए. अंडरस्टूड ना कि विदिन अ सेकेंड वो एंग्री हो जाता है, अनदर सेकेंड वो नॉर्मल सिंपल हो जाए. तो ऐसे इंसानों से हमें सावध रहना है. अंडरस्टूड ना. वी कैन से दैट टाइप ऑफ पर्सन्स, disturbed minded person. Poet also say like that kind of person or disturbed, we can say that kind of person, disturbed minded person. Understood now? Let us see next verse number 5. Yatha chaturbihi kanakam parikshate. Kanakam means gold. Chaturbihi, 4 ways. So as gold is tested by 4 ways, as gold is tested by 4 ways, nirgarsanam chedan tap tadanaihi. It means nirgarsan, it means by rubbing, chedan by cutting, tap it means by hitting, and tadanaihi and striking. Nirgarsan, chedan, tapah and tadanaihi. So yatha chaturbehi kanakam parikshate, as gold is tested by 4 ways, nirgarsan by rubbing, chedan by cutting, tapam by hitting, tadanaihi by striking, tadanaihi. तथा चतुर्वेहि Purusah Parikshate. Like that, man is also tested by 4 ways, that is Shruten, Silen, Gunen, Karmanam. Number 1, Shruten, it means by knowledge, Silen by character, then Gunen by virtues, and Karmanam and by actions or by deeds, we can say by works. Understood now? Let us see next verse, verse number 6. Verse number 6. Apatsu Ramah Samaresu Bhimaham. So may you be Lord Rama in difficulties. Samaresu Bhimaham, and Bhimsen in summer means battlefield. Samaresu Bhimaham and Bhimsen in battle. Danesu Karnascha is equal to Sandhisdhar Karna Visarga plus only Chang. Danesu Karnaha Cha Nayesu Krishnaham. And Danesu Karnaham, Karna in giving donation, Karna in giving donation. Nayesu Cha Nayesu Krishna, and Lord Krishna in politing, and Lord Krishna in politing. Bhismaha Pratigna Paripalanesu, and Bhisma Pitamaha in keeping promise. Bhisma Pitamaha in keeping promising. Vikrant Karyesu Bhavanjaneyaha, and Lord Hanuman, Anjaneyaha means son of Anjana, that is Lord Hanuman. Vikrant Karyesu Bhavanjaneyaha, and son of Anjana, it means Lord Hanuman in vigorous deed. Let us see now last verse. Page number 32. Prarabhate na khalu vigna bain nichaihi. Nichaihi means wicked people. So the wicked people, wicked persons, being afraid of troubles, do not begin at all. Second line. Prarabhya vigna vihataha viramanti madhyaha. Madhyaha means middle one. So the middle one trapped in troubles take rest before beginning. Third line, Vignehi punarapi is equal to Sandesdar Puna Visarga plus api. Puna Visarga plus api Pratihanya Mana Visarga Pratihanya Manaha. So while the Vignahi Punaha Punarapi Puna Visarga plus api Sandesdar and Prarabhya, second line first word and last line first word, same Prarabhya, relative past participle, Prarabhya relative past participle. So Vignaihi Punaha Punarapi Pratihanyamanaha Prarabhya. Chotam Jana is equal to Cha plus Uttam Jana. Third and fourth line combine here. Chotam Jana is equal to Sandesdar Cha plus Uttam Jana na parityajanti. So Uttam Jana means the best people, best person. So while the best persons, though often trapped in difficulties, do not give up beginning. It means they continue the action